Primarily, the main focus of the ministry is to facilitate job creation, both in the private and the public sector. We need to be doing labor inspections in all the states of the Federation, and if possible, all the local governments. We also need to look at those at work and make sure that our occupational leaders are safe. Workers must have life insurance for death, group life. Then ECA, Employee Compensation Act 2010, says you must be insured in the course of work.
The other aspect that we are looking at very seriously is mechanization, 100% private sector driven. Our estimate is that before the end of the year, this project will commence in about 632 local governments. That will be the beginning of agricultural revolution in this country. There are 12 frontline states that have been affected by koala birds, by grasshoppers, and those have been pestering us, and they have started proliferating their nose in the northwest as well as in the northeast. The prevalence of rabies in the country has risen quite substantially, and in fact, in some cases, we have recorded some death.
The 9th mile section, as you might know, is a very tricky, difficult area, very steep, dangerous, a point of many accidents before. So we've had to change design and do a lot of other alterations in quality to ensure now that we manage not only the erosion there, but that very good work is done.
New contracts that are signed and for February 1 going forward will attract 7.5% VAT. Contracts earlier than February 1 signed on 5% VAT will remain at 5%. So there's no more confusion on this matter.